Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in neemuch location from Madhya Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, NBFC Company is hiring for fresher male CA candidates. The salary will be up to 25 to 35,000 per month. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Vastu Housing Finance Corp Limited is hiring for credit manager position for home loan and mortgage loans. If you are interested, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for trade district managers, business development, and it is from Origo Commodities India Private Limited. For this position, you must have any graduation, and also you should be experienced in commodity trade will be preferred, and you should be able to understand business cycle of farmers and traders, and you should be able to help both entities through services of Origo e-Mandi. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for business development executive and manager positions for agricultural products. For these positions, like for the position of manager, you must have graduation. For the executive position, you must have undergraduation or graduation will be preferred. And you should be fluent in reading and writing of a regional language. You should have basic understanding of MS Office for execution level, and you should have minimum 1.5 year work experience as an executive and 2 years as a manager for agriculture, pesticides and fertilizers, etc. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, DMart is hiring for purchase department. The candidate must have more than 2 years of work experience in FMCG sales, and you should have the age maximum 31 years, and you should be from the FMCG sales background, and the candidate should have average stability of 2 years in overall experience, and you should be ready to relocate if required. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive. You must have education with 2 to 4 years of work experience in general trade from FMCG and FNB will be preferred. And also you must have good understanding of MS Excel. You must know the local language, and traveling would be an essential part of this job, and the candidates are expected to travel, and you should have good commercial acumen. If you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Samruddhi Organic Farm Private Limited is hiring for purchase officer. Only male candidates are preferred. You must have 3 to 5 years of work experience in FMCG. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.